When someone hurts you, you react immediately. You make the other person bigger and minimize yourself. From that moment, other people, they control you. Then realize your freedom is still far away. You're not independent. Reacting is unwise and responding is better. There's a difference between reacting and responding. Reacting or reaction comes from the old wounds, pain carried from the past, but response comes from the awareness and presence of mind. Reaction is mindful. It's better to take a pause. Instead of losing temper, ask yourself, can I handle this situation with calm? Because peace is anti aging.